Hello everyone and welcome to a review of a Spiegen case for iPad, the Stand Folio with many unique features as described in the box. So I will unpack it and tell you something about it because I have been using it for more than a week on my iPad and so far it's been great. So what do you get in the box? Mainly the case and describes how it works. You know, it has magnetic function, so it wakes up and gets your iPad sleeping once again when you turn it down. It's a nice material, something like synthetic leather and something soft inside. I don't know how to describe it. And yeah, this is the iPad Pro 10.5 inch 2017 model, so the latest and greatest that Apple has to offer us. So let's jump right in the box. It opens nice and simply. You get some materials inside, especially the case, which is wrapped in this plastic bag, which you'll just peel off, and then you are revealed with the case itself, which has, as you can see, the magnetic strap and pen holder right on the edge of it. Some layer, some foam inside, and that's basically it. It's a hard PWC plastic, but it looks good on the iPad once and it's inside. You wouldn't recognize that it's a non-leather case. It looks like a leather, and it relatively feels like a leather case as well. But as you can see from these rolling shots, it has a brand logo on its sleeve, and this is how it looks from the front. So the plastic case holds the iPad itself. It just slips right into it. The process isn't complicated or cumbersome at all. You just wipe your iPad so there are no dust particles or something else stuck underneath, because it can scratch it otherwise. And that's it. Basically now we've got an awesome case. This case cost me 24 euros, so $22, and it's well worth the price. Pen, if you have some pen, it fits just right beside it, or the Apple Pencil. If you have that, of course, it has a hole for microphone and a camera. One thing that I found quite interesting is that the flash doesn't work with this case. So when you want to take photos with the flash, with the quad LED true tone flash, it will obstruct the image. So this is one of the major downfalls. Otherwise, it's great for, you know, standing and watching content. You can easily write on it. It will, of course, stand by itself. The Apple ID sometimes works. With the pen, it's a nice, you know, interaction. And actually, this is like a $5 fixed pen. I will have to need the Apple Pencil soon, but this is the best so far. So hopefully you will like it as well. You can hold it like this, or use it for some documents and other stuff, or inside it has a strap where you can put your fingers in and it will hold it better. Filming or photographing with this iPad is simple. You know, it's an iPhone 7 camera, so it takes great pictures. It's a bit tricky, especially with the case, because it's a bit cumbersome, but other than that it is fine. Anyway, so thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Goodbye.